Hey everybody, it's Lindsay. Today I'm going to show you how to group up your data into little chunks if you want to look at a long list and really you're interested in just a smaller piece of that. So I'm going to show you today just how to get started with grouping, and then I'll go on to show you some more detailed stuff in following videos. So first here I'll show you I've got a list of sales, and I've got a sale date, item number, basically item name, where I sold it, who the sales rep was responsible for it, revenue for me, and any notes that I had associated with the sale. Right now, the way that this has been plugged in, everything is in order based on sale date, but let's just say I didn't want to look at it in that order. Let's say I wanted to look at everything by store specifically. How would I do that? And this may come very easily to you, but there's a sort feature. So if you went to your sort tab and you had your first line of that column highlighted and you clicked on sort, it would automatically sort it for you, and grouped everything together. It looks like it did alphabetical, but I think it did descending automatically. You can tell it if you do this drop down, if you want it ascending, click on ascending and it goes ABC rather than CBA. So that's one thing that you can do, and you may have already known that. But did you know that you can have multi-steps to your sorting? So let's say that I wanted to group my, store location, but then I also wanted to see these salespeople next to each other too. Well, there's an easy way to do that. You can just go to your sort and do a custom sort. And here you can add levels to your sorting. So right now it's sorting by location, values A to Z, and I can say add another one. And secondary, I want you to sort by sales rep, A to Z. And then I click OK, and now I have all of my sales reps next to each other in these stores. If you go back in there, just want to show you that you can add more, you can take them away. So that's some options you might want to play with. If you had colors in your cells, it's another thing you can sort by, which is pretty cool. Speaking of colors, that is something that you can add to your data. If you want to do that, you can do that with conditional formatting. And I will show you how to do conditional formatting, possibly. Haha, home. Not on your data tab, it's on the home tab, obviously. So conditional formatting is on the home ribbon, and you can do various things. You can do sorting with it. Right now I'm just going to focus on highlighting. I think that's an easy thing to start with. Let's say you want to highlight things that contain certain text that contains. You can do that. And let's say you only want to find, let's say you want to highlight your sweater sales. Oh, well, it's funny that didn't work, because what you have to do is define your selection area. So it can be the whole table that you can select, or if you know it's just going to be this one column that you're going to want your conditional formatting in, then you click on your highlight cells rules and your text containing, and you can put your word in there. Sweater. Boom. Now we have colors. So I'll go back to that sort to show you how that worked again. Sort. Let's say we want the cell color on top. Let's try it in the custom sort. By item name. Okay, There you go. So you do it in the custom sort, designate your color, and you can get your color up top. Boom, boom, boom. So those are some ways that you can sort your data using either the sort feature or a combination of sort. And you can also be using that conditional formatting to basically highlight things for yourself in that way. So next time I'm going to show you some more things about how to look at your data in groups and maybe get rid of the things that you don't want to look at.